Mwancho murigereria bagusiba minto andonsia simure nabakwanirie mbiya muri ritukoria rero nigoinde ase skuru ekurukunga St Paul's Rioma Secondary School, PO Box 2445, a code 4200 KC. Skuru ejiga buna moyero cheiga kaka inchomo nyene anonsomete kuru form 1 paka form 4. Skuru eje igera se ward ya sensi a constituency Kitutu Chache North asomo heshimiwa omubunge Japheth Nyakundi akogamba igona arenge form 1 east ngaja form 2 east ngaja form 3 east ngakora form 4 east within the same school year igokora form 1 paka form 4 njano nsometa iga principal yare kuru kwa by that time Siro Machuka na mo deputy principal ore kuru kwa omwalimu Onyonka. I remember my teachers ingorito mwalimu natu wakarukire wide jest, mwalimu natu wakarukire Obama, mwalimu natu wakarukire Madam Lona, mwalimu natu wakarukire Nyangana, natu wakuruka Onkendi na wengine wengi abange paka the late mwalimu wa Mwama waligoto somia physics na wengine wengi nkiandetira iga chitali kichare kurukunga chitali kinya mutinyo kianda omwakoera ngacha iga ngaka chibicha chiarenge chimpe e block nere yarenga iga yarenge so bad nkaigubobe nkobori ngaki eskuru ena somete kaka ngakibone gutwari kini kebega kinda moyo chibiche chinga chibeka Facebook ekarna chibeka omubunge okurukunga Japheth Nyakundi erebwe komonyene akandierera ne promise agantebinga kaka by January next year kewe ka January next year a building inko yerosinde njebwe komonyene igo kaba patient chibije chinja soge to mutandao abantu bagadebanga ya ngiye ko gera koreta chibicha chia ndindi nyoro oja kubeko mutandao yagera ngiche verify ngobo mahene a building eri yabege to Facebook ne yaga igari yoma bali mu aroche post ina abegete igo na abore tinga ki wa school bune ya sogeti abantu abanene ego tware block enchafu engabuneria lakini I thank God because again tongeri akorekira iga keidege tima digo senke igo yes ege era no later this gate we are coming there later. So this is what we call Rioma Secondary School abere iga na bekorekana iga ne administration block installed for form 1 but I will tell you its history na ndento era no later on. So a block ye yimwara abu asebicha yimwara mbege tabu ere dilapidated. That block igo ya arenge nseme ya ilikuwa hapa iga no ya aga chira go trimbo kaga iga hapa this area ga. So ekaranko yebeka this is the location where it was iga no ya arenge ga iga this place here toro jibuna batagorete Japheth came mubunge akajitagora troch this is the west akajitagora Jonspi another west is down there another west is down here mata ali akajitagora erine basi installed but nimba tebile itarone to gukora. So ekaratagora the block yare nga yimara sebija he constructed a brand new block eyega this is the block ebekire paka mabati yakire paka rangi ebekire paka chitairi is the new block for dek ase miake mengeri ometana kwagajwa. This is what he has done agantenga kaka ingaye chinga kinda kuonyesha. So this is what he has actually done na narangambi yangi chegiga iga mboro kengubo maene Rioma Secondary bali mu asomete Rioma. You can bear witnessing this is tremendous and this is huge, this is big. The school now looks beautiful. No so merata actually birasimbire bire mata bire dilapidated but I hope biche biruoro na nde biangere kuruoro ene yarenge form 1 south alafu east yane eri yarenge moinari ari that's where my class was moinari no class kiane yarenge moinari. So I want to show you the standard of these classes ebiaro setuna no kolonji gumbila launch actually by the way birasi bitara bigora these classes here hajazifungua mbono bire binyi hazijafunguliwa. I hope ata prepare kuja kuzifungua. So ekegesie kire ndade ko rie kere wazi mboro kime buna ga kororekana. This is locked. Yeah, this is one of the classes kegoire, and this is how the class looks like. You see? Class kebekire paka chitile. You can see how the class is beautiful. Very smart. This is one class. Not even a renovation. It's everything is new, brand new. It is not a renovation. It is a new constructed block. Black wall. Have a look at this. Give Kaiser what belongs to Kaiser. Give credit where it's due. Nchekaka tindigo swana na bantu ba UDA, you know that. Jadiro support serikali ya UDA. I have never supported UDA, but rende asega asia kodru, always give credit. It doesn't matter which political side you belong. Aya, enero yange staff room. This used to be a staff room. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, very smart. Yeah, but so you go a class online. It's true. It exists at Rioma. Can we say this is in Nyoro of Kisii? Of course. So thank you, Japheth, for honoring my request. After that, nimbwati request is actually 4 requests, and I know you're watching this. I have 4 requests to you. Number 1, this class is here. But this class, as my school, I'm requesting you block war. This one. We have a block like this one. So that is one request. Actually, class form to this used to be form 4. Champions, Empire, winners. Into form 1, form 2, form 3, North, East, na West. Alright. That's request number 1. This block itolewe. Number 2, nikiwa form 1. Mtu achageta administration block. Nikiwa form 1, I was in form 1 in the year 2007. Yeah, I think 2007. Now, so at form 1. So imagine from 2007, this block has been installed. Na bereiga. Pake tangi actually no kinde form 1. Tangi no kinde form 1 iga. This one is there. So kwa wanja. Kwa moyo wa upendo, you finish this block, administration block, oyekore. I will highly appreciate. Request number 3. A school bus near Mata ya go to Rioma Maitenja go to school bus in Tangani, Bakanyora accident. Yeah, Moinor de Tabana by condemned Cheso. So there's another school bus here installed, a crete, etanagoska for so many years. This one here. Iga. This school bus, you get a corino erosigo sego, egoruenia. Yeah, ya got in Jana Corunsa. For years, haijawahi toka hapa. Oroche, Rioma Secondary School, na bekirete iga. Tiana korua, na bekanyegete iga, ose ya chete iga kwa inchina. I don't know what happened to it. The new principal, omwalimu Akama, yeah, who is also a pastor. Ekwere ndeye, basi yeye. Aki, mheshimiwa. Itolewe hapa ene school ya nengo tetenja agenda tete ya asiri, but this is my school and I will defend it by all means humanly possible. Egagara no so mete ekerna to the power to inform. I have to defend it by all means possible. So that is request number 3. Buna nateba. Request number 4 and the last one. School ya beire nene. I know. Abantu mbali skali bari doctor, courtesy of this school. Abantu mbali bari engineer, courtesy of this school. Abantu mbali bari journalist, bunanche, courtesy of this school. Abantu mbali bari abanyagitari, courtesy of this school. Abantu mbali bari abantu abanene, ebiroge binene babera ababunge, babera aba MC elsewhere, courtesy of this institution. The 4th request is here, mheshimiwa. Look at this gate. Ngene school. Look at this gate. Ka kege kitekeneke obosoku. This gate. Obono bosoku abanene. School ya Socrates champion. Look at this gate. Very bad shape. Look at it. Very bad shape. Imagine this school. Look at this. Look at this. Here. Obviously I'm a watchman. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, Rora. Look at this. Ngeke school. Look at this. Look at this. Ngeke school. So those are my 4 requests this year. Umwakoyo, those are my only 4 requests. Alafu rende aiga kugotaka kugwanja na kugobeka na nyene fence kine chikayaba kine chikayaba chile paka rugurari. If God gives you the grace weke fence paka ruguru, then Mungu atabariki. Tikante bega kaka. Inche bali mumaite on social media, I don't support the government of the day. A year I have declared publicly, and you know that. Lakini inche negeire gente kama sobo mo, give credit where due. Onye koro mabunge and you feel like magendro nari gwakorre, you want to inform your people. Nduturigo tuwakana. Karatuacha, we are not paid. We came at our cost because that is my responsibility as a journalist to inform the people. School enero yankineti onye tariero omwarimu Solomon Odoji agansomia Kiswahili ekenkoriro mutandao bali mokorangu kwani Kiswahili kirige kuruku ya Solomon Odoji and the late omwarimu uri kuruku getate ya abantu bakandugera iga abantu yani I tell you skuru no twasometa abarimu bari mu atosometi. God bless you nyasaba season abande no mura bado omwarimu nari tubari kuruka wide jest no ari bado the medical so jire transfer. They are here and they are doing great things. Nyasaba season abana ba minto. That is Rioma Secondary School, the school of champions. Asanteni sana.